Hi guys, welcome to another video. So this is part 2 of yesterday's video, which was the unboxing and swatching of Madam Glam's June collection called House of Colour. So yeah, the video was getting a little bit too long yesterday, so I decided to break it up into 2 videos. So this is the swatches again. Well smart colours, ain't they? Proper bright, bold summer colours. I love them. Right, so now I'm going to do a design using the colours. And I think I'm going to be using all the colours today, which makes a change. So the design I want to do is a kind of neon ombre leafy pattern. So I'm going to be using tips today, as you can see. And I'm going to start off by giving all 5 tips a coat of Madam Glam's Louse, which is their rubber base coat. This is one of my go-to base colours, cover pinky nude colours. It's the perfect kind of in between baby pink and a nude. And because it's a rubber base, it's got that little bit of transparency to it as well. Yeah, look, it's a really, really nice base colour. Can you see it's got that little bit of transparency to it, which I really like. Love that. So I'm going to pop that in a lamp to cure for 30 seconds. I'll just do one more with you on camera, and then I shall do the other 3 off camera, just to save a little bit of time. This applies really, really nice as well. It's not too thick. Like some rubber bases are really, really thick, but this is a really, really nice viscosity, I think the word is called. Right, pop that in the lamp. So I'm going to get the rest of that base colour down, and then I shall pop back in once that's done. Right guys, so I've put all 4 colours on my palette, and I've also used Taurus Season, which was out of May's Madam Glam collection. I needed a colour that was going to connect them together. Like, I could go green and yellow together, pink and purple together, but yellow and pink didn't go together, so I needed the orange to kind of connect them all together. So that is all matted out and fully cured. Look at that matte. I really like it. It's a really, really nice base colour, isn't it? So what I'm going to be doing is, I'm going to be doing like a block section going across like this, ombreing all 5 colours. I've pulled out my Madam Glam striping brush. I think this brush is going to be ideal for this. I'm going to start off by adding a little bit of green to start with. Like that. And I've wiped my brush off. I'm going to go into the yellow. I'm going to add a little bit of yellow. Like that. A bit of orange. I'm not worried about this being super neat, so I'm going to come in and neaten that up anyway. And then the pink. And the purple. I've gone a little bit skinny mini there, haven't I? Needed to be a bit thicker than that. Quite a bit thicker than that. Now I'm just going to blend all the colours together. So to do that, I'm just taking my brush and I'm just going to wiggle between the colours. Just like that. Clean my brush off. Wiggle through these two colours. Like that. And now these two colours. If you feel like you've not got enough of a certain colour, like the yellow, I feel like that orange is outpowering that yellow, you can always go in and add a little bit more. Now into the green and yellow. Right, I am going to pop that in the lamp to cure for 30 seconds. Right, so I'm just going to seal that in now, guys, with the Madam Glam's Velvet Matte Top Coat, because I'm going to be doing some artwork, and I'm also going to be using some black spider gel, and I've never used black spider gel before, so it could go terribly wrong, and I don't want it to mess up what I've already done. So the best way to not mess up what you've already done is to seal it in with top coat. And if you're doing artwork, then you might as well seal it in with a matte top coat anyway, because it's always nicer to work on a matte surface. There we go. So I'm going to do the other camera, guys, because they're going to be the exact same, but I'm just doing the colour blocking in different areas. Then I'll come back in once I've done that. So I pulled out a spider gel and also my Madam Glam dotting tool. Really nice fine point this has got as well. So we're just going to do some scraggly lines, just outlining that area. Don't want these to be neat. Like that. I'm just going to pop that in the lamp because I don't want it to start like bleeding out. Yeah, I find if you don't put this in the lamp straight away, it starts to kind of spread out a bit. I wanted these lines to look nice and crisp. Like that. Using that same dotting tool, I'm going to be doing some like cheetah print. Like that. Then I'm going to pop that in the lamp to cure. Madam Glam gel paint to cure in an LED lamp for 60 seconds and a UV lamp for 2 minutes. Now using the Madam Glam Detail liner brush and the Madam Glam black gel paint, and we're going to do a couple of leaves. So I'll just start off by doing a dot. And then all I do to do a leaf is I kind of pull through like this, and then round that bit off, and then just keep extending it like that. And there we have a leaf. Same again with this one. Pull through. You can even have it going off at a little bit of an angle if you want. Keep rounding it off. There we go, another leaf. And then I'm just going to do some little stems coming off. Like that. And there we have our 2 leaves. So I'm just going to do another 3 up here. Nice, quick, easy nail art this is, guys. Right, so guys, that's all fully cured. Now, I don't know whether I want these matte or shiny yet. But if I am going to do them matte, I still need to go over them with a shiny top coat first. Because I find sometimes when you go over artwork with a matte top coat straight away, it can smudge the artwork. So I found the best way around that is to apply a shiny top coat first. So I'm going to use the Madam Glam's No Wipe Shiny Top Coat, cure that, and then I shall go over it with the matte top coat. Try to kind of glide it over that artwork as well. Try not to kind of drag it. And then I'm going to apply a nice thick layer of that as well, because it is a little bit lumpy bumpy where we've done the artwork. Give that a cure in the lamp for 30 seconds. So that is where we've got to so far. And well, they are done, but I'm thinking they need to be matte. If I was going to leave them glossy, I would buff over those and give them another coat of glossy top coat, just to get rid of the lumps and the bumps, just so you get that really nice straight light line. But I think I am going to go with matte. Surprise, surprise. So let's get these matte top coated and see the final result, shall we? We're going to be using the Madam Glam's Velvet Matte Top Coat. Now when you're using a matte top coat, guys, make sure you go right up those sides. Because if you miss those sides, you're going to have, or if you miss any of the nail, you're going to have shiny patches. It's going to look stupid. So yeah, make sure you get right up those sides. It's quite easily done, especially if you've got quite a curved nail. Pop that one in the lamp. And that is them all finished, guys. What do you think? I actually don't know if I prefer them shiny though, to be honest, believe it or not. Yeah, I'm a little bit torn. I like them. I think they're really, really cute. Really, really pretty. Proper summery, aren't they? Let's have a quick look at the swatches again, one last time. So we've got Pink Madness, Your Sublime, The Star, and Eternal Bliss. I'm well happy with those colours, you know. Right up my street they are. So that is everything for today's video, guys. If there's anything that you've seen today that you're interested in, head on over to the Madam Glam website. You'll find the link to the website pinned in my comments. I've also got a 30% off discount code for Madam Glam as well, which is GG30. So don't forget to pop that in at checkout to save yourself 30% off. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. And I hope to see you in the next one. Take care.